Hello and welcome back to Unicast Administrators. Today we are going to talk about SourceForge and mainly why I personally use it on a daily basis whenever I want to see different reviews for different softwares or open source softwares, projects and so on. You may be asking yourself, why am I showing you this? Well, first of all, SourceForge, it's a complete business software and services comparison platform where buyers or end users can find, compare, review business softwares, IT services, and so on. And business softwares refers to specific softwares that you can purchase either for lifetime or with a subscription. And an example here would be the Microsoft Office suite, where you have Word, Excel, and so on. And open source software refers to alternatives to the Microsoft Office suite, like, for example, LibreOffice, which is open source. It's free to use and you don't have to pay for that one, and you have software similar to Word, Excel, and so on. And according to my research, different websites that I read, different reviews, different forum posts, and so on, based on that, it seems that SourceForge is one of the largest, if not the largest, and the most trusted destination for software discovery, software reviews, software development on the website, and different new reviews for different new projects and so on. So basically, SourceForge, it's a particular platform where you can find information or reviews about a specific software. For example, if I go on the business software on tab from the top of the page, you can see here that you have different reviews for different companies, different projects, and so on. If, for example, I would like to search for software or solution based on keywords, I can just type in here Office, and let's see what we have for Office. So we have different suggested categories, or we can simply go below and we can see different reviews. If I want to search for Microsoft Word, we can see reviews for Microsoft Word, HTML on Word, and different other softwares that you can use to reach the same goal that you have. And as you can see here, we have reviews for Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Editor, and so on. Now, business softwares, because it comes with, it refers to software that comes with specific subscriptions or life cycle or purchases for life. Usually these are already well known. What I do like to do is to go on open source software and search for different alternatives to the paid prices, the paid softwares. So for example, here in the open source software, if I would like to search, for example, for LibreOffice, I can find information and reviews about LibreOffice. Now, as you can see here, because different softwares are part of a specific open LibreOffice extension, like add-ons and so on, these are coming up in the results as well. But that's perfectly fine. If you don't find your information, you can just type in different additional keywords and you can go through each and every single list to see that. And as you can see here, the fact that I added on top LibreOffice and the Word, I can finally see the actual LibreOffice suite, that it's an alternative to the Microsoft Office suite. And here you can see more information or details about the project features. You can see sample screenshots and so on. And what is the most important thing for me, it's the fact that I can see the reviews of other users that have used or are still using this, and you can make a more calculated decision or a more precise decision if you would like to use this particular LibreOffice based on the reviews of other people, or actually based on their experience. So this is strictly the reason why I use SourceForge as well. It's just because I can review or I can look up specific softwares that I'm interested in. I can review the things that other people are saying about that particular tool or that particular software, and I can finally make up my mind and take a decision if I would use it or not. And I thought to show you this particular website because since it helped me a lot to make a decision about what software to use and so on, I thought that maybe this will help you too, and I hope it did. And if it did help you to at least have an idea where you can look up specific information about open source projects or different business softwares, then please consider leaving a like to my video and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you'd like to see something similar to this, or maybe other website, or in general, what you'd like to see next, because there are other websites similar to this with different but similar purpose and so on. So if you like this, let me know in the comment down below. And if you have any ideas of what you would like to see next, maybe similar to this or maybe something different, let me know and I'll make sure that I'll make a video about that. With that being said, I would like to thank you very much for the time that you took to watch my video, and I'm hoping to seeing you next time. Thank you again for this. Have a nice day and all the best, and see you next time. Cheers!